Good day everyone! This is a tutorial on how to set up classless routing using OSPF or Open Shortest Path First Routing Protocol. This is a continuation of the tutorial on setting up VLAN, VTP, and inter-VLAN, which I will put the link in the description below. In this tutorial, I will disregard the transparent switch as it will just make it tedious when testing the network. I will create 3 more networks based on the past tutorial. The IP addresses that I will be using will be shown on screen. If you are following this tutorial in real time, please take your time and pause the video to set up your network. Let us now proceed to connecting our routers to one another. Use serial DDE or DCE as your connector and serial as the port. Make sure that you are connecting the cable with the same serial port on the other router. I will be using the GUI for setting up the router's IP addresses. I will provide the codes on screen if you want to use the CLI. After setting up the IP addresses, I will now use the CLI for setting up the OSPF. Make sure that you connect all the networks in the local area network and the networks in the wide area network, and the wildcard mask is 0.0.0.255. Once all the IP addresses are set up, let us test if all the PCs can send messages to other LANs. As always, if sending the message failed, send it twice. Now let us recap what we learned so far. In the previous video, I discussed that when inter-VLAN is not applied, PCs can only send messages if they are in the same VLAN. If inter-VLAN is applied, PCs can send messages to other VLAN in the same network. You can find the link of that video in the description below. In this video, we learned that applying a classless routing, in this case the Open Shortest Path First Routing Protocol, we could send messages to other networks. Thank you for watching and have fun connecting.